We all know flour tortillas, but I didn't even know flour tortillas until I went to northern Mexico, and then I realized that not only is northern Mexico like the country of flour tortillas, but there are flour tortillas of all kinds. So I'm going to start by making tortillas gorditas. They're called tortillas gorditas not only because they are chubbier than other flour tortillas, but also because they're typically made with a lot of fat. I'm going to add in here 3 cups and 2/3 of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon and a half of salt, 1 cup, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable shortening. And whenever I add a lot of fat to things, I always give an excuse like, oh, but we're gonna split it up into these many, pieces or servings, or no. Let's just be direct and honest and blunt. This is a lot of fat, but this is one of the reasons why these tortillas are so indulgent and delicious, and they are so worth it. I'm gonna start breaking the vegetable shortening into the salted flour, and we're now fully interacting with one of the products that Sonorans are the most proud about, which is their wheat and their wheat flour. The wheat in Sonora is truly extraordinary. So I'm adding what would be a full can of evaporated milk, and I'm gonna start adding it little by little. This makes these tortillas be sweeter and creamier. And I mean, truly, these tortillas end up being like flattened biscuits. All flour tortillas are made with flour, a liquid, and fat. But not all flour tortillas are the same, because not only do the ratios change, but also which fat and which liquid. Some are made with beef lard, some with pork lard, some with butter, and some with vegetable shortening. And you can see how the dough springs back when I push it down. So this is what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna let it rest for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm gonna make myself stop, because if I don't cover this bowl, I'm just going to keep on doing this because this is so satisfying. And now it rested. The dough didn't need to rise because it's not a yeast-based dough. It just needed to settle. I'm just pinching some of the dough through my hand like this. And I want balls of about 1 to 1.5 inch. We have the balls that I tried to make even. Then people in Sonora rub them with even more fat, like I'm doing right now. You guys, this is really fun. Like, just rub fat in your hands. We're going to cover them with flour. And we're doing this so that the balls don't stick one with another as they rest. I'm just gonna let this sit for another 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and this is very important for the dough to settle, to make really soft, chubby flour tortillas. Now our masa balls have had time to rest, and now we're gonna roll them out. And different from the normal flour tortillas, you don't need to roll them out until they're transparent and you can see through. Like, these are thicker. And it's going to be about a minute per side. What I'm looking for is for the bottom of the tortilla to start getting like speckles of brown. And over the top, I want to see these little pockets of air, like these bubbles. See? That's what you're looking for. This is making me very happy. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a tortilleria in Sonora. Look at the tortilla. I'm gonna add some of the cabbage, some of the salsa roja, some of the crema, queso cotija. You could do queso fresco too.